brand new project with only one plant in it, I'm going to open up our PlantMaster plugin window, Web Palettes, PlantMaster. And in this case, I want to send over my current project, which has a few more plants ready to go that I've pre-selected. So I'll go ahead and click on the Send Project Plant so I can verify that this is the project in PlantMaster that I want to send. And it's going to go into my new project file in Vectorworks. You'll get a quick review that I have 5 plants that are going to be added, and because I had one plant in that project already, there is an option to remove it. In this case, I want to leave it, and so I will skip this, but in case you wanted to see what would happen, it will give you a little preview of which plant it will remove. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it be. This is the default so that we don't lose any data, just in case. And then we'll go ahead and click Update Vectorworks. And now we'll be brought with the modal for adding plants into Vectorworks. And you'll see that I already have matched 4 of these plants to graphics already. And I'll just do a quick review just to double check. It's always a good idea. But you'll see the check mark has indicated that these first 4 have already had matches done. So I'll just preview those real quick. Those look fine. And then my last one, obviously, I'm going to need to select a graphic. So just to go through that process here, we'll see that first of all, I might decide that I want my name formula for the plant style to be different. I can change it right here if I want, but I'm okay with this for now. And let's go straight into choosing a graphic. So I click on here and we get our graphic resource finder, and I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick name search, easy enough. And in this case, I'm going to choose this one right here and click select. And so now I've made the match, and you'll see that the symbol match has updated. And this means that the system will now track this one going forward. So the next time I go to use this plant, like these other ones, it will have remembered my connection, saving you time in the future the next time. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And now it will populate my project with those plant styles. So if I go to my resource manager, pull that up, and you'll see now that I have 5, actually 6 plants, right? 5 plus the one I had in there before. And I may go ahead and use those. So I'll just close that for now and just drop some stuff in just as normal. And you can see that these are ready to go.